Hi, I'm Steve Kenny, Marketing Manager with Hitachi Cable America, and I'm here at our New Hampshire manufacturing facility to demonstrate just how robust our Category 6 Plus plenum cable is. We've got approximately 290 feet of our cable laid out here. We've terminated with Signamax Category 6 jacks, and we're going to be testing with a Fluke DTX 1800. We're going to do an initial test, and then we're going to induce some trauma to the cable by putting knots in it. Then we're going to retest, and we're going to continue to do this process just to show how robust our Category 6 cable is. So let's start testing. So let's do an initial test of the cable as a benchmark. You can see we have 8.7 dB of next and 9.7 dB power sum next, so it looks very good. Lucy, let's put a knot in the cable, please. Again, this is a Hitachi Category 6 Plus plenum cable made in Manchester, New Hampshire. Okay, now we have one knot in our permanent link. We're going to retest. And we have 8.3 dB of next and 9.2 of power sum next, still very strong. Let's put another knot in it, please, knot number 2. And for connectivity, this permanent link has Signamax, Category 6. Thank you. We now have 2 knots in the permanent link. We have next of 8.1 and power sum next of 8.7, so still looking very strong. Let's do knot number 3, please. And just to show, in fact, the cable under test is the cable we are putting the knots into. Okay, now we have 3 knots in our permanent link. Let's retest. Next still looks very strong. Power sum next, 9.0, very strong performance. Let's do knot number 4, please. We now have 4 knots in our permanent link. Again, this is Hitachi Category 6 cable and Signamax Category 6 jacks. And a very slight drop. Next in power sum next. Next at 7.9 and power sum at 8.9, still looking strong. We're at knot number 5 now. Let's do knot number 5, please. Okay, so now we have knot number 5. And next is 7.8 and power sum next 8.9, still very strong. Knot number 6, please. And again, just to show, the cable we are testing is in fact the cable we are putting the knots into. This is now knot number 6. Next is at 7.6 and power sum next is 8.4, still very strong. Let's do knot number 7, please. So now we have 7 knots in our permanent link. And next is holding at 7.4, power sum next is now 7.6, a small dip. Let's go to knot number 8, please. We now have 8 knots in this permanent link. Okay, so that's knot number 8 in the Hitachi Signamax permanent link. And very slight dip in next, power sum next at 7.5, so still holding strong. Knot number 9, please. Now we have 9 knots, total of 9 knots in this permanent link. And we're going to retest. Next is 7.4 and power sum next 7.7, still holding strong. Let's go with a 10th knot, please. Again, just to show, Cable we are testing is in fact the cable we are putting the knots into. And we now have 10 knots in this permanent link. Let's retest. So next we tipped a little bit to 6.8 and power sum next at 7.3, so still looking very strong. Again, this is Hitachi category 6 plus cable with Signamax category 6 jacks. I think that shows just how robust our cable is. Thank you for your time.